Ganda.
So, 7.
Gawin natin. Wala na siyang pass.
Siguro kahit wala ng mic, kasi naririnig ko naman eh. Huwag ka na lang mag-mic yan.
Alright?
Ito naman namin.
Let's go through the bonus round. Sir, ready na po ba kayo?
Ready na.
Are you ready?
Huwag na siya mag-mic, baka marinig siya eh. Ano, BK?
Medyo baka marinig ng sound.
Okay.
Alright? Let's... Then, meron ka na rin sariling mic.
Mic, ayan ang mic mo.
Yan. Mic. This is your mic.
No coaching, no?
Alright, let's go to the bonus round. First question. Timer starts now. Name an animal starting with the letter C that you would never want to eat. Crocodile? Yes.
My God!
Name one social media app that you frequently use. Facebook. Third, when you wake up early, what time would that be? 7 p.m.
AM. 7 AM, PM.
Sorry. 7 a.m.
Graveyard ito.
Name something that comes in sevens. Dwarf. Okay,
Grabe ka sa amin, Mike.
dwarf. Okay, next. Name an item you might buy in a souvenir shop. Ref magnet.
Okay.
Okay, so those are the 5 questions. Congratulations, sir.
Wow!
Congratulations, Sir Mike, for your answers. You'll know the top 5 answers later on. For the meantime, you can call on the expert PK to go through the second round of same set of questions.
Feeling ko ang sasabihin.
Or let's go through the score first. Tingnan natin yung score. Okay. We'll go through your scores first on your first.
Para alam
then
namin ko
we-
ilan na siya.
Yes. Alright, while waiting for the scores, kamusta naman?
Okay naman. Okay pa
Confident ka
kami.
naman sir sa mga answers mo na makuha mo medyo marami-raming points from that
200, di ba?
round.
200.
And how do you feel na
Ay,
kayo
di yung
nanalo
iba points,
sa first
200 dapat.
top team na wala kayong hindi na nag-tiebreaker pero talagang leading yung ano nyo yung congratulations talaga no, for bagging the top
PM,
one, yes.
ilan dapat yung score na maabot ng dalawa?
200 combined. So from the first participant at maximum of 100 and then from the second round, yeah, the 100 I think.
More than 1.
Ay, maximum.
So 200 yung maximum points
200 ang maximum.
for the bonus round. I think that's the same kay Dindo, the mechanics.
Okay.
Alright, are we
Baka
ready
natulog na
to
si BK kasi
tally
free time
the
na.
first round
100 pala siya.
for Mike?
Natulog na si BK.
All good? Alright, let's can I get the score for Mike?
Deserve mo yan eh.
Ito. Ayan.
Deserve mo yan.
Deserve ko po ito.
Asan tayo? Dito ba? In-email yan. Ano ba? Ito. Mike answered total of 72. Accumulated from the first, for the 5 questions. 72. So, konti na lang. Ano ba yung kailangan meet? 200
Wala nga.
combined. Alright.
Sabihin instant.
Let's call on BK.
Wala, natulog na si BK.
BK. For the second round, I think the participant, BK can have a chance to answer again if she answered the same or cancel na siya.
Give another answer.
Give another answer. Okay.
Kinansel.
Cancel si BK.
Ayan.
Ayan si BK.
BK is here. Let's give a round of applause for the second player, BK. From Team Kishore. Right.
Ayaw niya, BK?
Medyo... Alright. Wala mo lang pressure.
Hihingi na lang kami kay Kishore. May talo kami.
Alright.
128.
Alright, so meron kayong kailangan
Okay lang yan,
habulin.
relax ka na.
Pero don't pressure yourself. Kayang-kaya mo to. And you can do this. Alright, are you ready to play the bonus round? of our family feud game? Right, I think meron bang right. Dito. Yan. Tayo ka na lang, tayo ka na lang. Okay, okay.
Nai-stress
Tayo
mo
po
sa
kayo.
matambang kayo.
Okay. Alright. First question.
Kabado si Mia.
Name an animal starting with the letter C that you would never want to eat. Cat. Okay.
Yan ang top runner.
Next. Second question. Please. Name one social media app that you frequently use. TikTok.
Oh, TikTok.
Next. When you wake up early, what time would that be? 7,
Another answer.
8 a.m. 8 a.m. Okay. Next.
Feeling ko
Name something that comes in sevens.
Si 5 or 6.
Easy. 10 seconds. Sorry. Oh, pass.
Hindi ko 7 wonders of the world.
Next. Name an item you might buy in a souvenir shop.
T-shirt.
Magnet. Okay. So
Next, another answer.
name an item you might buy in a souvenir shop.
Keychain.
Keychain.
Okay. Let's see.
Ay,
Alright.
tapos na ba?
Yung isa pa, yung
May
napas.
isa pa yata.
May isa pa?
Yung pass, pwede pa yun? May time pa ba siya?
Nag-skip siya.
Opo, pwede ka-
Babalik ka.
7.
Or ano din?
Bawal na.
Ah, wala na daw time.
Hindi na babalikan. So,
7 wonders of the world.
Alright.
Oo, tama.
Ang hirap ng kasama 7.
Ako 7 dwarf.
Pero dun lang.
Ano, early 12?
7.
Comes in 7.
Ano pa yung mga hindi na, kanina nasagot niya dwarf.
Ito, 7 wonders of the world.
Alright, let's reveal the answers again to BK for the survey questions. Name an animal starting with the letter C that you would never want to eat. Top answer? Cat. Dumami ka
Top
sa
answer doon si ano.
48 na, may 48 na siya.
May 48.
Second question.
Wait lang.
Ay, wait.
Kasi sorry, second answer.
Sige, tuloy. Harabaw?
Kangaroo.
Pero ako galit kay yun. Harabaw nga.
Cockroach. Number 4.
Crocodile. Ah, meron.
Sikat yan yun. Cheetah. Alright, so those are the top 5 animals. And here, name a social media app that you frequently use. Top answer is
TikTok.
Instagram, IG.
Instagram.
Second answer is TikTok. Number 3 is Facebook.
Ay, Instagram mo.
Number 4 is YouTube. And number 5 is Angry Birds. Meron pa pala nun.
Di ba naman yun?
Mobile Legends. Angry Birds. When you wake up early, what time would that be?
Pili ko 6.
6. Ay, 5. Sabi na 5.
Estudyante.
I think we have 7 and 8 a.m. 6 a.m. 4 a.m.
Ay, wow.
8 a.m. I think they got some score there. And then 7 a.m. Nakuha nila yung lower part, I think. No?
Yes.
Alright. Next question.
7.
Name something that comes in sevens.
7 days.
7 days a week. Of course.
7 days a month.
I
Dwarf.
think Mike got what? That what?
Deadly sins.
7 deadly sins. 7
7
C's. And 7 crayon.
8 yun eh. Di ba 8 yun?
Crayon.
8 yun eh.
Binawasan na isa ng bata.
Pinutol yung ano.
Singaling 7. Anyway, I think they got worse on that one. Next question. Name an item you might
Nawala nga yung white kaya.
Top answer is
Keychain.
Oh,
Yay!
Ang burawi talaga, ang daming top answer ni BK.
Ref magnet.
I think they got the top 2 answers here, no? T-shirt.
T-shirt. Scented things.
Scented things.
Ay wow, pag things talaga.
Snow globe. Ay, parang sa pang-Christmas yan, ano, yung may mga...
So, answer total lang.
And, alright, let's wait for a few minutes. I think for the total score of Team Kishore.
May ano ka na, di
Excited na ba
ba?
kayong malaman yung total score nyo?
May 96 ka na, di ba?
Excited na po kayo malaman yung total score nyo?
96, eh 120.
Right?
Dalawa.
Yes.
Parang hindi ako abot.
Hindi, may 96 na siya.
Alright.
Ilan, magkano ka?
Before we announce the score of the final the final score of Team Kishore's team, I would like to call on TJ or Kisa for the closing remarks.
Teodoro. Teodoro.
Wala ba talagang cash prize yung fourth place? last na wala talaga. Okay. First and foremost, guys, let's thank the organizers for creating wala pong cash prize yung mga yan, pero, you know. Look, I hope everybody enjoyed this event. And Mike and I, funnily enough, Mike and I were talking about this morning, where we were struggling with maybe participation in some of our TBF-wide events. So, I hope this rubs you guys the right way, no? And I hope you take the success of this, your experience ninyo, the fun that you've had, back to your teams, and preach it and tell people, to join the events. It may not have any maybe direct impact to the stuff that we do on a daily basis, but you can say na, this helps with mental health as we approach mental health month in October. Two, it helps create networks, especially with how we formed our teams. We didn't group them as Team TJ, we're all from Treasury, Finance, and whatnot. It helps create networks, and believe you me, at some point you're gonna use those networks. Through training, through just asking for help or giving help. Those things you may not realize that you're putting investments on right now for your careers, but at some point you'll realize na these social events, the bonds, the fun that you create, does actually go a long way in helping you, keeping you sane in the office place, helping you make more friends in the office, and actually help make the workplace a bit better. So again, thanks for everybody, from the organizers to all of the participants, and congratulations to the winning team. And sana next time ay prize na pati yung fourth place.
Thank you very much, TJ or TJ, for that very enlightening and wonderful closing remarks that you have shared with all of us here. And I think I would really echo his message, and I would also like to thank everyone. By the way, I forgot to introduce myself earlier on. For those who don't know me, my name is Paul Mark Gutierrez, and I'm your host for this. Thank you so much. I'm from Pat's team here. I'm part of Guild Asia Revenue Control Team, Global Emerging Markets, and my manager is
Wala eh.
yes, sir. Ayun. So,
Pasensya na mga TDH.
Not yet, this is a social gathering event. I'll try to be more familiar with everyone soon, hopefully. Yes.
Takbo rin dami.
Maraming salamat po. And,
Mike, well trained. Well trained.
yun. Salamat po. That will be a wonderful opportunity. Wait, hold on.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
They have exceeded the 200.
Galing!
Apat nang inasagot pero you got 2 top answers. Kaya?
Oh, may tutang answer siya eh. Wow.
Lagi talagang tama ang mga babae.
Lakas tama.
Lakas tama.
Alright. So player 1 got 72 and player number 2 got a total of 133 points for a total of 205 points. Congratulations, Steve Kishore, Andre, DK, Mike, and Engelbert. And Ses. Yan.
Good job guys, galing niyo.
I will really recall your names soon. Of course, especially DK and Mike.
Dahil dyan, akin na lang tong
For,
popcorn na to.
for participating on the final round. Alright, I would like to thank again everyone and congratulations to all the participants. And I hope you had fun. And I hope you had enjoyed the snacks and samples of the pizza. And hope to see you soon again for another social event by TPF or in the community hour or any other social gatherings that we may have here in TPF. Thank you very much.